Understanding how air moves through your air conditioner's condenser coil is key to keeping your system running smooth and cool all summer long. So, the way it works is pretty chill. Literally. The AC pulls warm air from the sides of the condenser unit, where the fan sits. This air then passes through the condenser coil, which is where the refrigerant releases heat it picked up inside your home. The fan blows this now cooler air up and out the top of the unit. You gotta make sure those side vents are clear of any junk like leaves or dirt, because if air can't flow in properly, your AC has to work harder and can overheat. Also, check the fan blades every once in a while to make sure they're spinning freely and not bent or broken. If dust builds up on the coil itself, it blocks heat transfer and makes cooling less efficient, so a good coil cleaning once a year helps big time. Another tip is to keep plants or furniture away from the condenser unit so airflow isn't blocked. And don't forget to change your indoor air filters regularly. Dirty filters reduce airflow inside, which messes with the whole system outside too. Last thing, if you hear weird noises or see frost on the coils, get it checked by a pro before it turns into a bigger problem. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their condenser coils is blocking airflow by putting stuff too close or letting debris pile up on the sides. Fix it by giving your unit at least 2 feet of clearance all around. Another common issue is not cleaning the coil regularly, which causes poor heat exchange and higher energy bills. Just grab a coil cleaner or call a technician annually. Third, folks often ignore fan problems. If the fan isn't moving air properly, it can cause overheating or freeze-ups. Make sure the fan motor and blades are in good shape or get them fixed as soon as possible. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors way easier for homeowners who want their AC and other home projects done right without stress. Contractors also get connected with real customers looking for their skills, helping them build their business with actual work.